Watch through the end, because in the next part of this video we'll break down what this repair can cost at the dealer versus an independent shop. Many owners of the Mazda CX-5 have noticed a strange and persistent noise. This sound often comes from one of the front headlights. It is typically described as a low buzzing, a humming, the whirring of a tiny electric fan. This noise can be quite noticeable in a quiet garage or when standing near the front of the vehicle. For many, the sound is more prominent on one side, making the other headlight seem almost silent in comparison. This has led to concern and a great deal of discussion among CX-5 drivers. The sound can appear at different times, which adds to the confusion. Some drivers report hearing it the moment they switch on their headlights. Others notice it after the engine has been turned off. It can even start when you simply unlock the car with your key fob. Mazda has officially addressed the matter with dealer instructions. This official dealer guidance is known as a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB. The specific one for this issue is Mazda Bulletin SA-013-23. The bulletin confirms Mazda is aware of excessive noise from the headlamp assembly. It applies to model years 2019 through 2023 CX-5. The bulletin shows how technicians verify the complaint and determine the fix. A TSB is not the same as a safety recall. A recall is mandatory when a defect poses a risk to safety. A TSB is repair instructions for a known, non-safety problem that may cause customer dissatisfaction. This distinction affects who pays for the repair, especially if your warranty has expired. This guide will walk you through the problem, the official fix, the potential costs, and what you should do. Let's get into it. The primary symptom is straightforward. A buzzing, whirring, a humming noise emanating from one of the front headlamp assemblies. While some faint operational noise can be normal, the problem is when it's unusually loud or much more pronounced on one side. Many owners first notice it in a quiet place like an underground parking garage. To identify it, start with a simple comparison. In a quiet spot, turn on the headlights. Stand in front and listen to the passenger side headlight. Then move and listen to the driver's side. If one is much louder, buzzing or vibrating, you likely have the TSB issue. Some owners report the noise continues after shutdown, which is unsettling but matches reported symptoms. Document it. Use your smartphone to record. First record the quieter headlight as a baseline, then record the louder headlight from the same distance. Show this side by side to the service advisor at the dealership. It helps get your concern taken seriously and avoids can't replicate responses. The light itself will likely still function normally. The noise usually isn't linked to a flickering or a failed headlight beam, so it's not a recall safety issue. Mazda has directly addressed this headlamp noise through its official communication channel to dealers, the Technical Service Bulletin. The relevant document, SA-013-23, provides the technical details behind the problem. According to the bulletin, the noise may be caused by contamination from foreign matter that entered the unit during the manufacturing process. This contamination can lead to premature wear on the bearings of a small fan motor located inside the sealed headlamp assembly. Over time, as these bearings degrade, the motor's operation becomes progressively noisier, resulting in the buzzing sound owners report. The bulletin is not a static document. It has been updated several times. The research notes indicate that the current version, SA-013-23, supersedes previous bulletins issued on February 24, 2023, July 26, 2023, and August 29, 2023. The TSB also states that to eliminate this noise problem going forward, the production process at the supplier has been modified, and the materials used for the component have been modified. One of the most critical points of the TSB is that it outlines the official repair procedure. The bulletin makes it clear that the headlamp assembly is a sealed unit. There is no approved method to open the housing, access the internal fan motor, and attempt a repair or cleaning. The only factory-authorized solution is the complete replacement of the entire front combination lamp assembly on the side that is making the excessive noise. This replace, don't repair approach is common for complex electronic components like modern LED headlights. When you bring your CX-5 to a Mazda dealership with a complaint of headlight noise, the service technicians will follow a specific diagnostic procedure outlined in TSB SA-013-23. The process is methodical, designed to rule out other potential causes before authorizing a costly part replacement. The first step is always to verify the customer's complaint. The technician will listen to the headlight in a quiet area to confirm that an abnormal noise is present. This is where your video recording can be extremely valuable if the noise is intermittent or less obvious in a busy shop environment. Next, the technician will perform a crucial comparison test. They will compare the noise level of your vehicle's headlamp to that of a known good vehicle. Typically, that means another CX-5 of the same model year on the dealer's lot. This subjective but important test determines if the noise is excessive or within normal operation. If your headlight is louder than the comparison vehicle, it strengthens the case for a warranty claim. The diagnostic process also includes a thorough visual inspection. The technician will check the headlamp assembly and inspect the surrounding bumper area for collision damage or past repairs. Even a minor impact can damage internal headlamp components and cause noise. If past accident evidence is found, the dealer may attribute the noise to that, which can lead to warranty denial. They will connect a diagnostic tool to the vehicle to check for any stored headlight-related diagnostic trouble codes. If the technician confirms the excessive noise, finds no evidence of external damage, and the vehicle is still within its warranty period, the path is clear. Following TSB SA-013-23, they'll order then install a new front combination lamp assembly for the affected side. There is no smaller part to replace. The entire unit is swapped out, providing a permanent solution to the annoying buzz. The question of who pays for the headlamp replacement is where owner experiences begin to diverge significantly. For those whose CX-5 is still covered by Mazda's new vehicle limited warranty, 3 years, 36,000 miles, the process is often smooth. If the dealer confirms the excessive noise per the TSB, the replacement of the headlamp assembly is usually covered as a warranty repair at no cost to the owner. Many drivers have reported online that after showing their dealer the TSB and a video of the noise, the replacement was approved without much hassle, and the new unit solved the problem completely. However, warranty coverage is not always guaranteed, even for cars that are still relatively new. A common reason cited for denial is the assertion that the headlamp is a part that emits light and is therefore treated like a light bulb, often considered a wearable item not covered by the warranty. This interpretation is debatable, as the issue is with an internal motor, not the light-emitting element itself, leading some owners to escalate to Mazda corporate. Once the vehicle is out of its basic warranty period, the situation becomes far more challenging. As one 2023 CX-5 owner with nearly 70,000 miles discovered, being outside the window means you're likely responsible for the full cost. According to forum discussions, Mazda is unlikely to cover any portion once the warranty has expired, even though the issue stems from a documented manufacturing process flaw. The TSB is a guide for repair, not an extension of the warranty, and this financial reality can be an unwelcome surprise. Because the headlamp assembly is fully sealed, DIY attempts to open it or dampen the sound with foam are almost always destructive or ineffective. The consensus: the only real fix is a full assembly replacement. The financial impact of this headlight issue depends almost entirely on your vehicle's warranty status. If you are covered, the cost should be zero. If you are not, the repair can be quite expensive. The primary cost is the part itself. A genuine Mazda OEM front combination lamp assembly. These are complex adaptive LED units, and their price reflects that technology. Initially, reports quoted over $1,200 for a single unit, but more recent reports suggest Mazda has lowered the list price. The part has reportedly dropped to approximately $800 each. On top of the part cost, you must also account for labor. Replacing the headlamp assembly requires removing the front bumper cover to access the mounting bolts. Dealership techs typically take about 1.5 hours to complete the job. With dealer labor rates often exceeding $150 per hour, expect another $150 to $250 for installation. That brings out-of-warranty dealership totals to roughly $1,000 to $1,500 per side. Independents may offer lower labor rates, but they face two key challenges: sourcing the same OEM part from Mazda and potential programming or calibration after installation. Many independents lack the equipment, so they often refer you back to Mazda, making the dealer the most practical, if expensive, option. Let's wrap this up quickly. If you're hearing that buzz, schedule a dealer diagnosis per TSB SA-013-23. Was this helpful? Like the video, subscribe, and share your CX-5 experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.